Hi everybody, Kyle Samway here. For today, I started collecting cards with my friend Bill. These here in front of me are most favorite ones of my favorite shows and movies. For example, this right here is a mystery machine. It's from Scooby-Doo. General Lee from Dukes of Hazzard. The Batmobile from 1966. And lastly, the Ghostbusters car, Ecto-1. As you see, I have 6 cases of cars. Let me show you how much I got right here. Okay? There's a lot to go through. You know? I have a second version of Batmobile. It's all chrome and silver. Right here. This is chrome silver version of the Batmobile on my desk. Alright. What do you guys think? I have 6 cases of these. Here's a one-winner. Here's a Wheeler from 1966. Here's my DeLorean time machine. And here's my other ones. So what do you guys think about my classic car collection? Let me know in the comments below. Okay? And always, don't you forget about like, share. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay? And have fun. Stay safe. Kyle Nation. Bye, everybody.